I'm going to show you this super cute dress that was just sent to me. So let's start with, I'm about 5'3", 5'4", and I weigh approximately 120 pounds. This fits slightly above the ankle on me. Also, it comes with a little slit right here. On the top portion, it ties right here, and there's like a little bit of elastic so you can play around with the fit. It fits multiple sizes. On the back here, the finish is a zipper. That's how you get in and out of the dress. There's a zipper right here. And then the sleeves are these super cute bell sleeves. This is the natural length of it on me, but I don't like long sleeves. So the nice thing is this is elastic and it's really comfortable to move up and down. You can wear this in spring, summer with some sandals, or add some boots to wear it during the fall and winter. I definitely love it.